The African Lions taking on the American Strikers. Both teams superbly stacked. Gaurav Tomar. And it was more of a warm-up delivery from Pofu. And it is a little bit of warm-up for the umpire too. Now it's going to be Vikas Tokas. And he'll be greeted with a shot that Shoaib Khan was searching for. He's literally freeing his arms. Once again, same region. We'll get 4 more. This time more control from Khan. Tonked away. Gaurav Tomar was waiting and waiting. His eyes went agog as this one was in the slot.
इस ओवर में जब भी आपने लेंथ को छोटा रखा है ना, आपके खिलाफ बाउंड्रियां लगाई हैं बल्लेबाजों ने, और जो गेंद इस ओवर में आपने थोड़ी आगे रखी है वो 6-8 मीटर के आसपास, उस पे रक्षात्मक ढंग से बल्लेबाज ने खेला है.
This time gives him the charge, and this is the reason Gaurav is a game changer. A 6-over extra cover to finish. 2 overs gone, 28 for no loss. Oh, slices the ball to perfection. You can't put a fielder there. Gaurav Tomar helping it on its way. 6. Gaurav Tomar asks the crowd, what is better than 4? And they respond with 6.
हाँ, गुस्सा आता है आपको एक गेंदबाज के तौर पे जब पॉइंट के ऊपर से कोई खेल देता है, लेकिन फिर फाइनल का खिलाड़ी जब घेरे के अंदर है तब ये विकल्प आप विकल्प नहीं चुनना चाहते.
16 deliveries of pure bliss. And there's 6 written over it. No, perhaps just inside. Man in the deep is stationed for this catch, and the plan works. Khan doesn't survive the 8th ball. It's Mpofu will have the last laugh. 3 overs, 44 for 1.
अफ्रीकन लायंस को इस विकेट की खासी जरूरत थी, क्योंकि ये दोनों ही बल्लेबाज इस वक्त बहुत खतरनाक नजर आ रहे थे. हाँ, बल्ले का चेहरा बहुत ज्यादा खोल दिया आपने, बहुत ज्यादा चेहरा खोल दिया. इसी वजह से एकमात्र खिलाड़ी जो पीछे खड़ा है ना, शिवम शर्मा, उसको ढूंढ लिया.
In the air, should be taken, and this time it's Gaurav Tomar. Back-to-back blows for the strikers, and 2 new men would be at the crease. Murtaza is all smiles, and suddenly the game changes.
और अब आप वो ओवर बचा के रख सकते हैं, क्योंकि अब गौरव तोमर भी आउट हो गए. देखिए कैसे खेल पलट जाता है. अब कप्तान को कोई चिंता नहीं, क्योंकि 2 नए बल्लेबाज आए हैं. अब सुबोध भाटी की इस वक्त जरूरत नहीं. अभी आपके साथी आउट हुए थे, अभी
Back live and talk about Ayan Khan deciding to go over. He's done just that. He's taken on the arm of Ali Murtaza, challenged the fielder at long on, and he's hit that a mile.
I reckon the 126 in the Intercontinental Legends Championship is the biggest. That went out of the park into the car park. That's a massive hit, probably the biggest. Nicely got to pitch off the ball. And off she goes into the night skies.
Oh, beautifully he's accessed the gap. Just splitting the fielders, just going deep in his crease, waiting for it and playing late. Ayan Khan's dishing out a masterclass in the middle.
Pradeep Sangwan was excellent in the last game, half centurion. Down the leg side, did he take a glove? Yes, it is. Given by the umpire. That's a good delivery by Pawan Suyal. When I say good delivery, it was pace on. The line could have been just outside the yaw stump, but Ayan Khan was beaten for pace, gets a piece of glove, and Rahul Yadav does the rest.
Looking good for his 19 and 15. He'll have to take that slow walk back, but that delivery certainly just surprised Ayan. The previous 3 deliveries were ones that just were bowled around that corridor of uncertainty, and this one was hurried on to his rib cage.
क्या ये कनेक्शन ठीक हुआ है? जी बिल्कुल. 6 रन मिलेंगे यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज को.
पिछली बार भी बाउंसर थी, पिछली बार बाउंसर जो है हेलमेट पे जाकर लगी थी, और इस बार बहुत अच्छा पुल शॉट. देखिए बहुत सही समय तक इंतजार कर रहे थे गेंद का. क्या शॉट में अंतर था इस बार. लेट जरूर थोड़ा सा सर हिला था, पर उसके बावजूद लेट तक देखा था.
ये देखिए, इसे कहते हैं करारा जवाब. पहली गेंद ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर, रूम मिला, और ताबड़तोड़ उस पर टूट के पड़े ईशान मल्होत्रा। इसी के बारे में मैं जिक्र कर रहा था। यहां आसान सा मौका, सुबोध भाटी, ये तो डिनर के बाद हलवा है।
यॉर्कर गेंद थी, पहले आप यॉर्कर से बचे, ऐसा लग रहा था कि रन दौड़ना नहीं, यॉर्कर से बचना उनके दिमाग में था। ये बहुत अच्छा बॉल था, बिल्कुल सामने था, कोई कॉल नॉन स्ट्राइकर बल्लेबाज से हुआ नहीं, आप स्वयं भागते चले गए, रिप्ले का इंतजार है और ये देखिए ये अड़े और उसके बाद भागते चले गए। नॉन स्ट्राइकर बल्लेबाज मना कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो जो कॉल हो लाउड नहीं हो, बट आप इतना आगे नहीं भाग सकते हैं ईशान।
सुबोध भाटी को स्वयं जाना पड़ा, जाके देखिए। पहली गेंद पे अपील और जाना पड़ेगा प्रदीप सांगवान को वापस। सुबोध भाटी ने कहानी पलट दी है।
काम तमाम करते हुए प्रदीप सांगवान, बड़े खिलाड़ी, पिछले मुकाबले में बहुत अच्छी फॉर्म के साथ आ रहे थे। आउटसाइड ऑफ स्टंप बॉल जो किसी भी बल्लेबाज के लिए बहुत ही मुश्किलदायक होती है खेलनी। ये देखिए बहुत अच्छी लेंथ, पैर ज्यादा नहीं चला, जिस दिशा में था सिर्फ हल्का सा आगे बढ़ाया, बहुत दूर से खेल गए थे शरीर के। और उसके बाद बैट जो है ना एम्पायर को दिखाने के लिए वापस पीछे खींचते हैं बल्लेबाज।
Yeah, he just somehow managed to get some bat on it, and that'll be a boundary as well after 17 deliveries. Pawan Suyal's not impressed. Good delivery, well disguised shot ball, but Kuldeep Hooda has done well to somehow get some part of will on it, and that trickled away for a 4. Drags that from outside off, and that'll beat the fielder as well. Not an easy shot to play, but Puneet certainly is making it count, and they'll need more of Puneet in the middle if they have to get to a good score. Well, oh, what a shot by Six, the fielder in the deep. For a moment, it looked like a push for a single. The batters were ambling across, but then that's timing and placement.
सीधा पूरा दम भर के, और इसकी जरूरत भी थी यहां पे अमेरिकन स्ट्राइकर्स को। हर ओवर में अब आपको कम से कम एक बाउंड्री तो चाहिए ही चाहिए।
Got a lot of height on this one, and I reckon he's got enough distance for it to be called 6 as well. That could be referred, maybe a boundary check, but from here what it looked.
चलिए एक बार फिर देखते हैं क्या हुआ, क्योंकि हमें तो ऐसा लगा यहां से कि जैसे 6 होना चाहिए, लेकिन अब एक बार फिर से आप तीसरे अंपायर से पूछ रहे हैं, यहाँ ऑन फील्ड अंपायर, कहाँ गिरी भाई? सीधा क्वेश्चन पे गिरी है। पहले ही बता दिया था मिखाइल ने, यहाँ इतनी दूर बैठ के यहां से बता दिया। ऐसे थोड़ी इनको कहा जाता है, इतनी पैनी नजर है इनकी।
One-handed pickup, and that crashes into the big screen. What an innings this man is playing in the middle. Well, Puneet is certainly turning it on, and he's giving life and hope to the strikers.
ये हुई ना बात, देखिए अब यही हम पहले भी बात कर रहे थे कि स्टार्ट आपको मिलता है और आप उस स्टार्ट को बड़े स्कोर में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर पाते तो टीम को फायदा नहीं मिलता। अब ये पहुंचा रहे टीम को फायदा। एक हाथ हट गया, उसके बाद एक हाथ से ही छक्का लगा दिया। इन्होंने बता दिया ये तो मेरे दाहिने हाथ का खेल है। वैसे तो मुहावरा बाएं हाथ का होता है, लेकिन इन्होंने दाहिने हाथ से ही लगा दिया छक्का।
Oh dear, that's a biggie, and what a way to bring up your half century in an innings that needed somebody to show grit, determination and focus. And Puneet has done just that. That's a lovely hit. 20 runs coming off this over so far, and that ball has disappeared.
जितनी तू मेहनत करता चला जाएगा उतना ही भाग्य तेरा साथ निभाएगा। और आपने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा, मेहनत कश ये पारी रही है, काफी मेहनत की है। कुछ और बदला नहीं है, सिर्फ फील्ड ही बदल रही है और कुछ नहीं बदल रहा। 26 रन इस ओवर से 158 पे 5।
Beautifully played. Oh, on the up. Missed the Yorker, Tokers, and goes the distance. Breaking the shackles, Hooda with that massive 6-over extra cover.
And that's 126.6 of the tournament is my trip maximum. Almost checked the shot in the end, I thought, right from the screws of Hooda's bat. And there's more! Bigger! Make it 3! He's not dealing in boundaries, he wants the maximums. And with these, 184 for 5. So cheeky, so crafty. and 4. This will have a special place in the highlights in his mind. This should be taken. Man in the deep is waiting to pouch it. Oh, well, on the second attempt, Jatin does the rest.
Yeah, brilliant. This guy is slow delivered by Bharti, first of all. Lack of pace. Is hanged on the pitch. Back of the hand, slow ball. Punit giving the full Monty, got the elevation only, not the distance.
Gets underneath this one. Oh, this is a powerful statement, not just a boundary. Would be a wide delivery and would be more than that. The keeper only can do this much. For the cricket ball, so clean hitter of the cricket ball, you can see. Ghoni goes big. Only height, no distance. Fielder settling, not getting there this time. Jatin is suggesting that the ball was swerving. And immediately Ghoni will make them pay. And Ghoni suggesting this is just half my power. He's gone for the same shot here. And this is what connection looks like. Ghoni didn't change the plan. Taking the bowler on. And Ghoni connects. This one will not be retrieved within Greater Noida. Don't bother chasing that one. The strikers finished with a mammoth 224, with what one stage was looking like a distant dream. 24 runs come off the last over with 3 maximums and a boundary.
और ये एक खास मुकाबला इस शुक्रवार की शाम क्या एक चेज जो है वो पॉसिबल हो पाएगा?
जगह बना के शॉट खेली अब, और यही वजह है कि हर्षल गिब्स की जगह आज ये उतरे हैं एक ओपनर के तौर पे।
एक बार फिर से जाने का प्रयास किया है, बिल्कुल सीधा। थोड़ा बल्ले की ऊपरी हिस्से पर जाकर जरूर लगी थी, पर उतना अच्छा संपर्क था कि ये गेंद 4 के लिए चला जाए। पर इस बार बल्लेबाज बिल्कुल तैयार थे और रूम दिया था इस बार। ये तो लीजिए पारी का ये पहला बड़ा हिट भी आ चुका है।
लाजवाब, लाजवाब शॉट। सिर्फ एक ही चीज हिल रही थी ग्राउंड में, और वो थी वो सफेद कुकबरा की गेंद। थोड़ा सा लगा कि ये शॉट जैसे मिस टाइम हुआ था, लेकिन फिर भी बल्ले का काफी भाग लगा उस गेंद के ऊपर।
इस बार तो ये बहुत अच्छी तरह से संपर्क हुआ है। पिछली बार अगर एक टप्पे के बाद गई थी तो इस बार सीधा जाएगी, और 2 बहुत ही लाजवाब शॉट के साथ जो है वो बता दिया है कि अब क्रम रुकेगा नहीं। 133वां ये इज़माइटेड टूर्नामेंट का 6।
फिर वही विड्थ जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे, वही एंगल के साथ गेंद बाहर जाती हुई, और पूरी तरह से तैयार हैं ये शॉट खेलने के लिए। अगला पांव देखें आप, वो गेंद की लाइन में नहीं, उसको थोड़ा सा बाहर डालते हैं।
एक और बार दर्शनीय, प्रशंसनीय, और इसी के साथ 4 ओवर की समाप्ति। 39 पर 1 लायंस।
Outside the boundary, that's inside edge. Manpreet Ghoni gets a wicket, and Praveen Kumar, that walk says it all. He's a happy man, and Manpreet Ghoni, you cannot keep him out of the game. The big wicket of Rahul Yadav.
Rahul Yadav looking to go big. There's the false shot, inside edge, stumps shattered. Ghoni celebrates, and look at that. The head coach is happy. The nod of approval is given. The thumbs up is on, and there goes the thigh five, Mr. Ghoni. Well done.
And she's happy. Take a look at that, her celebration.
Wow. What a way to get off the mark. Typical Gibbs fashion. That's the Gibbs we know, and they'll need more of it from him tonight.
Example, Hooda, Ghoni, Pushpakumar, all these players. Picked up down the leg side. Hooda bowls another leg cutter. Beg pardon, the off cutter.
Short and wide, play that over covers. Don't bother running. Gibbs has taken centre stage here at the Shahid Vijay Singh Pathik Stadium. What a shot.
Yeah!
Oh, he's dragged that on. Unlucky dismissal here for Herschel Gibbs. Was trying to force it towards the cow corner region. Yadav strikes. Another wicket goes down for the Lions.
Premeditated slog sweep attempted by Herschel Gibbs. And when he got out, when he was walking away, he was playing the right shot. When the dummy shot came out, over extra cover. Probably the option was right. It was an off spin outside the off stump. Out, the LBW was out of the equation.
हाँ, उनको बताने की जरूरत है, बल्लेबाज को भी फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा। उसने भी ये लीजिए, उन्हीं की तरफ खेला ये शॉट जहां पे वो घूम रहे थे। मजेदार खेल चल रहा है भाई। कोलसा वाला ने भी कहा कोई कहीं टहलता रहे, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मैं बड़ा शॉट खेल के दिखाऊंगा।
कोलसा वाला ने ये पूछा है कौन सा वाला था जो वहां खड़ा था। इज माई ट्रिप टूर्नामेंट सिक्सेस की बात करें तो लगातार बड़े छक्के देखने को मिले हैं। वाला ने बता दिया कि इसी इंटेंट से खेलने वाले हैं।
यहां नहीं ये रोक पाएंगे।
और ऐसी बल्लेबाजी होगी तो ये 14 रन 18 हो जाएंगे। 11 के बाद 97 पे 3 लायंस।
100 रन थे बोर्ड पे और इस बाउंड्री के साथ अब हो गए 104। सिर्फ एक आध बाउंड्री से काम नहीं चलेगा नागर साहब, अब आपको 2 या 3 बाउंड्री चाहिए हर ओवर में।
And he tees off in supreme style. He can do anything running around the ropes, but he'll only see the ball go sailing. And what a start to the 13th over. Very good evening for Parvez Mehroof.
That's a good shot. Playing down the ground. He has not scored a boundary yet. 2 maximums. This occasion it was 4.
Well, that misses everything. The leg stump, the wicket keeper, and the batter too. And in the process, they'll get 4 runs. It's turning out to be a good over this. Yeah! This time, he knocks him over, Amit Yadav, playing across the line. Kaul Sawala sees his leg stump shattered. And the American strikers are right on top.
And the big shot was imminent. And Koslavala, rather than going straight down the ground, trying to play the slog sweep. And most of the good bowlers have done in this league, bowling wicket to wicket, and Amit Yadav has been rewarded for some excellent bowling in this game.
Has that beaten everybody once again, or has it taken a faint edge? Runs awarded, which means he got a faint edge on that one. Shivam Sharma, he's off the mark with a streaky 4. That's the end of the over, 130 for 4. That's high, and that's out of here as well. Nagar has been trying this for a while, and finally he reaps the reward as well.
And Yogesh Nagar is a clean hitter. Powerful strike. Down the ground. Over long off with the turn. And into the one of those marquees. Brilliant shot by Yogesh.
Sitting deep, sending it sailing. Yogesh Nagar take a bow. This is a half century of the highest order. And there'll be more runs. Sitting deep inside the crease, expecting a Yorker and finding the gap. Yogesh Nagar is a master at work. You never know, 63 or 21. Oh, this is marvelous. Yogesh Nagar one step ahead of the opposition skipper. That's why he's so difficult to bowl to. Sitting deep, sends it sailing once again. What an over this has turned out to be. Sangwan is under the pump. 6, 4, 4, 4, 6. Or sometimes it's not just brute force, but the luck as well. And Ayan is greeted in the best possible manner for the Lions. Slightly short, and the ball disappears. 6, number 141. These my trip maximum counter, says sir. Ayan tried to throw it wide. This is as crafty as cricket can get. Oh, this could be trouble. Someone has to sacrifice the wicket. Who is going to be the person doing so? Shivam Sharma stays put. Nagar thought there was a single on offer. There was none. And this is a big wicket in the context of the game. This is the final delivery. And that's the final destination for that ball. Out of here. 22 required at the last over. The Lions propel past 200. 203 for 5. Pushpa Kumar is looking for anything within the round. This could be taken. And the catch is pouched. Shivam Sharma perishes. And now 13 required of 2. Super over is the only victory that the Lions can look for now if these are legal deliveries. Sangwan will say look the other way. That's a good result as far as Pushpa Kumara is concerned. Having the last laugh by breaking Bhati's stumps. The Lions falter towards the end. They do not hunt down their prey today. But what a game of cricket this has been in a tournament that continues to give us magnificent matches. American strikers win by 11 valuable runs. And the American strikers regain their confidence after the last loss.
चलिए, यही तो रोमांच है इंटरकॉन्टिनेंटल लेजेंड्स चैंपियनशिप 2025 का। आखिरी ओवर तक अगर किसी मैच की कहानी पहुंचे तो इससे पता चलता है कि ये खिलाड़ी सच में लेजेंड्स हैं, सितारे जमीन पे उतरे हैं।